Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. And it's been long, but I'll be making this video short and very fast. So I know some of you are only interested in making money and all the rest, but this is also a solution. This is also a skill. This is just a short introduction to, like, all of you who are interested in making ads for your Facebook, for your business, for your social media content and all the rest. This is going to help you in case you don't know how to edit, and this is just a short introduction. So we'll be making use of Canva to do this, so just watch and learn. Okay, first of all, we'll minimize. We'll go to our ChatGPT to generate a prompt. So it's going to be something like I've already copied the prompt onto my keyboard, so we're going to paste it here. Generate a 30 seconds voiceover for a voice advert for a sports brand. So I've downloaded 5 sets of pictures that we'll be using. I'm going to show you guys when I've downloaded 5 sets of pictures, but I'm going to show you guys when I edit it. So here it is. We'll generate a prompt first. Okay, you can see the ChatGPT has given us a prompt for 30 seconds for a 30 seconds video, which we'll be using for our ad video. So here it is. Just copy it, and now we are going to go to our Canva. Okay, just watch and learn. Okay, it's going to take a little time, but it's going to be fast. Okay, skip. Okay, so now I've already downloaded and done the video before, but for educational purpose I'll be doing it again. So we are going to head to video first of all, and you choose blank design. So now we'll make use one of these templates here, but for this video we'll be making use of Facebook video. You can make use of any of these in order to fit your orientation or your view of the video, but we'll be making use of Facebook video right here. Okay, now we are going to watch exactly what I'm going to do. We are going to start the video now. We'll be uploading 5 different pictures of our shoe brands that we'll be using for the video. So watch. Now you have to go to add media, select gallery. Now here are the 5 pictures here. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. See, so now we'll select 1 2 3 4 5. These are the 5 pictures we will be using. Tap add media. Now it's going to add them accordingly. Okay, it's added them. So now the video is supposed to be 30 seconds video, but you can see at the dashboard here is 0.24 seconds. So we are going to make it 30. Now we extend it each by 6 seconds. Each of the pictures will be 6 seconds long. So six. Now it's a little too long. 6. Ooh, a little too long. We want them all to be 6 seconds, exactly 6, not more than, not less than 6 each. Yeah, it keeps switching. 6 seconds each. Now our 30 seconds have completed. Now add audio. Next we'll add audio. Okay. Sorry. First of all, after adding your pictures and making them 6 seconds each, you are going to go to transition. Select, you can select any of these, but for this we'll be making use of this. Okay, for each of the video. So we'll apply this to every scene between them. Then tap on add audio. No, sorry, we are supposed to tap on, after tapping on add audio, music and SFX. Okay, now go to your top now and write advertising, because this, you are looking for a sound that you use for your advertising video, so this is what you'll be using. Okay, choose any of this sound. Okay, we're making use of this one. Now remember, we generated a prompt from ChatGPT that we'll be using as our voiceover for the video. So now all you have to do is to go back here, set it here exactly so that you won't, and now you just wait, tap on element. We are going to add our voiceover now. So we are going to generate a voice that we'll be using. Okay. Now generate AI voice, as you can see right here. Okay, we'll tap on our prompt, we'll paste it here. Now select one of these voices.
Every step tells a story. Make yours unforgettable with Velocity Sport.
You see now? See? This is the video. It's not exactly, sometimes ChatGPT can make a little bit of mistake. It's not exactly 30 seconds, but you can go back to correct and tell it to make it exactly 30 seconds. But this one we do for now, because this is just for
every step tells a story. Make yours unforgettable with Velocity.
But first we'll adjust the voice. For the music, we'll reduce the volume a little bit. We don't want the music to be louder than the voice. Okay, now we are going to increase the voice. Now watch.
Every step tells a story. Make yours unforgettable with Velocity sports shoes. Built for speed, designed for comfort, and made to keep up with every move. Whether you're training, running, or taking on the day, experience lightweight support, superior grip, and all-day confidence. Don't just wear shoes, wear performance. Step higher, run faster, and go further with Velocity sports shoes. Your next victory starts from the ground up.
Now that's it. That's all you need to do. Now you just have to go download your video. Now select, go to this option here, this option that say PNG to save your video, MP4 high quality video, select this, then tap on download, and that's it. Your video can download. That's simple as it can be. Okay, please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment your thoughts on it. See you later.